Do you know if Earth suddenly stopped rotating, the consequences would be catastrophic? In this video, I will tell you some of the immediate and long-term effects of that happening. Watch till the end if you want to find out what would happen to our day and night cycle if Earth stops rotating. First on our list is the incredible shockwave. So Earth is spinning at around 1670 km per hour at the equator. Now, if it suddenly stopped, everything that isn't anchored to the ground would continue moving at that speed. This would cause massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and winds as the atmosphere, oceans, and everything else would still be in motion with pure chaos. Gravity and inertia. So, objects at the equator experience a centrifugal force due to Earth's rotation. But if Earth stopped, gravity would take over more strongly, and the effects of inertia would cause massive disturbance. Picture this. Right now, because Earth is spinning, everything at the equator is kind of being pushed outward, like when you spin a bucket of water and the water stays inside. But if Earth suddenly stopped, that outward push disappears and gravity takes full control. On top of that, everything that was moving keeps moving, which would throw the world into total chaos. Huge shifts in land, crazy winds, and massive destruction everywhere. If Earth suddenly stopped spinning, everything would go out of control. The big question is, what would happen to our day and night cycle if Earth stopped rotating? So, it would be completely gone. One half of the planet would be stuck in endless daylight, while the other half would be in constant darkness. And what would be the result of that? Insane temperature differences. The side that's always in the sun would heat up to unbearable levels, while the side in constant night would freeze solid. It would be a total disaster everywhere. So yeah, we would be facing extreme chaos and destruction from shock waves, gravitational changes, and catastrophic weather events. The world as we know it would change forever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating space content. By the way, I recently moved to another country, so I had to leave my video making gadgets back in Pakistan. Please bear with the situation for now. I will make sure to improve the quality of the videos as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Stay curious, and as always, keep exploring the mysteries of the universe.